I realized early that the first step to profitability is eliminating these discretionary whims. You must replace the thrill of the momentary guess with mechanical parameters. You must define your methodology. You must have a system for identifying the major trend. You must have a system for locating specific entry points where the risk is smallest. You must have a clear mathematical system for stop levels. If you cannot articulate on paper precisely why you are initiating a trade, you are relying on hope. Hope is a terrible investment strategy. When you abandon system, you abandon reason. You are sailing without a chart, trusting the fleeting impulse of the current wave to guide you. When the storm hits, you find yourself adrift. The market has a way of ruthlessly punishing improvisation. If you approach Wall Street as a stage for emotional drama, you will be promptly evicted. The system is the elimination of the self. The system is the distillation of all past knowledge, all historical observation, into a set of repeatable instructions. If you cannot repeat the process, you cannot repeat the profit. It is that simple. If you rely on your hunch today, what will you rely on tomorrow when you are fearful? The consistency required for long-term success demands that the methodology be immutable, independent of the temperature of your own temperament. Without a system, you are forever chasing the market. With a system, the market must come to you. I spent years, decades even, observing the relentless flow of prices. I formed theories, brilliant theories I believed at the time. I developed frameworks for identifying when a stock had moved past its line of least resistance. I perfected the concept of the pivot point. I had the knowledge I could write the textbook on how markets operate. But I often failed anyway. There is a vast, dangerous chasm between the discovery of a brilliant theory and the perfect execution of that theory. I would spend weeks in detachment, meticulously drawing out the rules for a certain type of campaign. I would understand intellectually exactly what the tape must show me before I acted. Then, when the money was on the line, when the market moved violently, rapidly, I would forget my own genius. When the pressure mounted, I prioritized my momentary sweaty gut feeling. I listened to an influential friend. I convinced myself that the rule, which I myself had established, was perhaps too harsh for this particular instance. I prioritized outside counsel, or worse, my own fear, over the clear rules my own research had established.